loves, welcome to this week's video where I will be showing you guys how I style my bar cart, which I picked up from Pennies. I got it for €40, which roughly converts to 750 Rand and 35 pounds. If you guys want to see how I styled my cart, definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start by decorating the top tray, and the first bottle I'm going to put down is obviously this House of B&G because it's the same color as the tray. Next to that, I'm going to place this bottle of Bordeaux, which is from Bordeaux in France. Absolutely love it. The last item I put down with this set is this champagne coupe, which has so much personality to it. The next item I put on the tray is this decanter, and what I love about it is that the rim of the decanter is gold. Next to this decanter, I put down this rose gold decorative piece, and then the last item I put in this set of 3 is this golden bird, and I think that putting them in sets of 3 works really well because of the round shape of the tray. Now for the bottom tray, the first item I'm going to place is this really cute wine bottle / glass that I got from the market in December. The first bottle I'm going to place on the bottom tray is this bottle of Beaujolais La Rancée, which is a French red. As you can see, I love French wines, and I'm going to pair that with a stemless wine glass to keep it simple. On the other side of the bottom tray, I'm going to place my 2 favorite bottles. The first one being the Inverroche Amber Gin, and next to that I'm going to place the Redbreast Irish Whiskey. With those 2 bottles, I'm going to place a whiskey glass, and then I'm also going to place a shot glass because the shot glass is really small. The last item I'm going to put down on the bottom shelf is this golden decorative piece, and that is it for the bottom shelf. Now all that's left to do is to place some extra glasses in the glass holder. The first glass I'm going to put in is my champagne flute because it's my longest glass. After that, I'm going to put in my white wine glass, and then next to that is going to go the red wine glass, and the last glass that I'm going to pop in is my champagne coupe. And there you have it. This is how I have styled my bar cart. I think it's really cute, but I'm definitely going to keep switching it up as time goes by. Because we're in lockdown, I'm currently not serving anyone at the minute, so this is all just for ambiance and decorative purposes. Do let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye!